Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in PracticeMaster, and I'm going to show you how you can change the column layouts in all of the different screens so that you can show the data that you want to see in the order that you want to see it in. Let me show you how to do that. So first I'm going to start with my client. When you get out of the box here, you have different column layouts that can be available. The default is the client ID, client name, contact name, name search, and so on. But I don't see the work description or what the actual matter is on here. And so that makes it a little difficult for me to maybe search if a case has multiple matters to know which one it is, viewing it in this format. Now I did create one over here called client information, and now I've changed that order on my columns to be client name, work description, phone, things that actually make sense that I want to see right away on my scrolling and viewing to find the correct information, the correct matter. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Over here in the column layout in Quick Clicks, there's a manage column layouts, and you can see I've created a couple of them, but we're going to go into our manage column layouts. I'm going to click on the add new. That's a little piece of paper with the plus sign. And I can give it a name, and I'm just going to call this new test layout. You can call this whatever you want. In my one over here, I called it client information. Maybe you have a specific layout that you want to see. You can have your initials and it be your initials in column layout. This is specific to user. You can create this if you have the correct permissions. You can create a column layout that you can show for all users. So you could make this global. But if you're just creating one for yourself, you can name it whatever you want here. And then you can include any of these columns that you want to have show. So in this example, I had name, I had my work description. So I scrolled down and I found my work description and added. I'm just double clicking, or you can click the little add button up here. If I don't want a certain field, I can remove it. I can highlight and just click my remove and it takes it out. So if I put it back in and I want to change the order, I can move my column up or down, wherever I want to put that. So you've got a lot of control over what you're seeing on this particular screen. Once I'm done, I would hit my save, and now I have a new test layout in my column layout. Now right now I'm in the client screen, so I'm making this layout for the client. If I scroll down to my quick clicks, I now have that new test layout. Simply clicking in front of it makes that layout be the one that I'm viewing on the screen. And I can flip between multiple user views or column layout views by just clicking in front of the one that I want to see. Now this is also available in any of my other windows. I'm going to go over to calendar, for instance, and maybe I want to see different information on my calendar layout. So again, I had created one. The default is out here with the due date, date completed, calendar code, location, and description. But if I wanted one that also had client info, this one I've got who the client ID, the client name, the due date, and the description. So I can change and view anything just the same. If I come in here and do a manage column layout, I can then come in and do a new one. And you also can modify existing. So if I wanted to just add a field to an existing one, I like what it is, but I want one more field, or I want to take this field off, or I want to move the order around. You also can edit. So if I'm highlighted on the one that I want to edit, I can click on the little edit button up here at the top, and then I can just work within what is already showing. If I don't want to show user ID, I can remove that column. If I want to add a certain thing, I can add it, and I can modify an existing column layout and then save those parameters again, and now that layout would have been changed. Can add one in any of these screens that I have the column layout available in Quick Clicks. If I go to my notes, let me scroll down here just a little bit. I have different notes for the journal view, so I can create column layouts for that. For my email, my phone, my documents, all of these column layouts are available to create and customize what you're seeing on the screen. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to visit our website or to give us a call. Thank you.